Oh, I got a special delivery today. So I went ahead and removed all these staples. This is the best packaging I've seen in a long time. I mean, this is top notch. Kudos to Shearer Fab for sure. Let's get this out of the way. Right off rip. Got a little Shearer Fab action. Check this out. Booyah! All right, so we got a shirt. Got a little sticker for the box. Let's see here. Oh yeah, dude. Looks like a throttle cable guide bracket thing, which I won't need because I'm drive-by-wire. Yeah, very cool. Billet aluminum flanges, billet aluminum throttle body flange. This is top-notch work. Shearer Fab's high ram sheet metal intake lid. Bolts right onto the Holley high ram. That is, whew. It's got provisions for Ford and Chevy throttle bodies, 105 millimeter opening. Hey, this thing is too cool for school, man. Check this out. Oh, wow. Come look at this. Look how close this is. Look at this. All right, bear with me. Let me see if I can get you in here so you can see it. And the bolt is like perfectly lined up. Okay, this thing means business now. Golly, look at this thing. Woo, 105 millimeters, put your whole arm up in there. Okay, I'm stuck. Crap. Golly, man, that thing looks awesome. Too cool for school. Look how close that is. Let's see the other side. It's close. It's not touching, but it's close. Phew. Dang. So now that that's a problem and bolted on and serious, I gotta get rid of this. I'm done. I'm done with the black door stuff. I want the car to be one color. I mean, yeah, kind of, but nah, needs to be orange. So in order to get this door off, it's a couple of bolts there. I think they're like 15s or 13s, a couple there for the hinges there. And then the door has to be laid on top of something that I don't have in order to be sanded down and shot with primer. I've got some materials to do that with, but this, I'm tired of it. Gotta go. Need to go ahead and go to the store and get some workhorses. All right, let's see, which one was I looking for? Oh, dang it, always missing. Oh, what's not missing? Merch. Go get you a t-shirt, man. Help the channel grow. Plus, they're nice and soft and they feel good. And this one, I've had it for probably a year now and it's still in good shape. Links underneath. You should see a whole bunch of cool swag t-shirts underneath here. You're kidding me right now. Okay, so my plan is to take this 13 millimeter here, 1, 2, 3, 4, undo the latch with the handle, and then muscle the door off and then walk it over to the stove. This is a solo move. Let's see if it works. 3, and 4. All right, so it's holding still. Let me see if I can do this. There's nothing else holding it. Okay, here we go. Yep, there goes the door. Golly, it's heavy. Oh yeah, I forgot. All the power window stuff's in there. I want to cut these doors out too. I'm going to gut them. I'm going to take all the glass out. Don't need any of that stuff. Golly. Stupid heavy. Oh my God. Round and round it goes. All the way around the car. That's a heavy door. I wonder how much lighter it'll be when I cut the glass out and all the power window stuff. Only thing holding it now, that's hot. This is starts. Glass is still on the track, but that's okay. Because what I can do, I can go up and then out, right? Yeah. Think. I can just go up and out. Yeah, up and out, just like that. That's all the weight right there. Golly, that is heavy. All right, that whole door is now sanded down and it is ready to spray with some primer. Okay, so I figured let me let it dry. Let's see what happens, etc. and so forth. Maybe it's whatever. No. So my paint guy gave me the wrong paint, and it's a mistake. It could happen to anybody, but this is GM orange. I'll put a picture here somewhere so you guys can see the difference. And I called him, and he said, no problem. Bring me a piece to match, and I'll take care of your cans or whatever. And I was like, all right, cool. And I was looking at the cans, and I'm like, hey, GM Hugger Orange, and here's my paint codes. So I don't know. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the door on the car, and that way I can put things together for a little while. Okay, so there's the door. It's on. You can see the color is not right, but that's okay. My paint guy said he was gonna fix it. There we go. Door is super light now. There he is, all gutted. They still thunk because they're big and have strikers, but sometimes things don't work out, so that's why I show you the good and the bad. And speaking of good, or maybe bad to the bone, baby, golly, look, I'm a doctor. Look how close I got. Anyway, there you go. That's one bad unit right there. Look at the shirt. There you have it. The Shearer Fabrications lid for the high rims installed. I'm super stoked about how that turned out. Doors gutted, closes like a dream, weighs nothing compared to what it used to weigh. I'm not so happy about the color on the door, but that's okay. My paint dude said he'd fix it up for me. That's why I do good business with good people, because they take care of you. And the other door, I'll save it for another day. Glad you stopped by. We'll see you next time.